And the Bible no see ye trying say atemuda mra na mu bi aten. But the same Bible no say obi oyede boye ni no wu a. Asama do oda no. Oda ne ntuma no eyamo America meka na even kete se ho no kwa no so so no. Yenya mu na 21 the chance where the boy ni dia ye na punishment no.
That's the question.
They make sure and say who see ya you will be judged. And based on that judgment, it's either say obeko bunsem jem. Either say we are righteous or beko nyankopon in heaven ho. And now we are pure soul obeko the kingdom of God. So there are 3 places that each individual be ani ebeko. Yes, 3. At the boyefo nyina ebeko bunsem jem. Na bunsem jem no kura so nya eternal. Enye baby e ya afebo say for eternity. You don't come bunsem jamu a. Enfie pepe sa pepe. No. Okay? Enfie be no. Yes. So we come bunsem jamu a. There are so many years I obey me di or based on oboni obedi as we so but again eternal. Okay. Because the eternal say punishment is meant for rectification. Okay. Ya twa obi aso ha. Ya twa na so se be obeden. Obetimi asesa na adwen. Why na the buyer ne boni a or twe ne ba na so na eni na adwum say asotwa me de mema me bayi no se be obesesa na adwum na me da asotwa ne ma no ho ye papa ne ma me fo e wufi se o buyer boni na de oye ye no fi se wani nso a den na wo ye wo wen ko tena se wa ha ene wo betena sa me ma nsore akware pa agura di umani godi ago tena o sa wo osu a o se sore ko hwe na wanye biu ndi ye ngwa ye nipa no e wo ya adwum se obi ye boni ne ye twe na so a ye pese on se san free ne boni ne ho nti na ye twe na so no ti awi say ze nyankopon nim za nyanza no onim so no de obepa ne say koda bunsam jam forever and ever for eternity. No. Then what is the use of the punishment? And I had ye kind of tan be say unya basa aso wi so na obahaya no want me answer say wadwe unya wu a 1 lifetime you go to hell for eternity. But Bible no say ye nipa a ye mpo no nyankopon say ye kra na bone wo ye ho no so obi ye obone a fa che ne mprenso ahoro nso adu osonso ye nipa obone wo ye ho nyankopon we expect yen so obi ye bone ye fa che so many times. Sure. Now unya me mama only 1 lifetime ope na me ba asase be ye bone a o say me ma 1 lifetime well be zuru to call hell for eternity. Does it sound logical to any human brain? No, say nyame expect yen say yen obi ye bone ye fa ne che ni bebrebe ya na me ma ye bone for only 1 lifetime. Why do you condemn me to eternity?
Nkoshi
and is that do be ko bunsam jamu betimi akwa so many years but time no so e be you Ghana high we don't we have our judges say omomo will be 6 months because we are punching yema obi bi say 20 years because of koya armed robbery yema obi bi 50 years because of kokokum obi ti nipa kwanyansan mu no obi we are punching obi o armed robbery no punishment ni yepe nti obi ono owi ankrofo pen ebi ameka owi a pen owi ankwan na mo we o yes an man kete no because ansa bi no wanom nsa no me na begu body ono ne body no say no say we no nom ya ne body no de say no say nipa no yes ono obi a ono armed robbery no we kum krofo mo nkoda bo nsa bia for eternity doesn't make sense to anybody. It doesn't. See abusi I mean kan ko nchiro asori ni akwa ho anete e da so ya asori fo ba yen ye bisa questions so you obi a we yam sumuni na say wo bisa question trust me say obey a lot of mistakes nti ye bisa nsemfua de make kan wa bisa ho say nyankopon say obi yen bone a ye mfa ncha ne 7 times 77 no no nyame de me yo man 1 lifetime na ma wu a wo say ye bone to kobonsam jam for eternity. Does it sound well for you? Do you any pay what ahumobra say nyankopon ana did the atene say nature ema chance say basa say we so a or do open nyina dey show nsem nyame en show bi o pese wan kasa o mfa wo do endo no say wan do no a wa ye na nhyehyɛ nya fe na ye bebu atempo say wo dua tomatoes a automatic say tomatoes no time so about tomatoes. Okay. And you know the very day I would do tomatoes no wan kasa watch the opposite wunya ntene wuntimi nkodua tomatoes no why expect say obekwana pineapple kutunkutu boboso. It doesn't happen like that anywhere. And into wa bra bona nkasa wo bo no wo plan wo next life is either say wo no beko bonsam jam anase obeko heaven anase obeko nyankopon kurum na bonsam jam no kura na America no say enye eternal because punishment is meant for rectification. nsesayenti na yɛtwi nipa so
Okay.
nti nyame sɛ ɔtwe ya so sɛ yɛnkɔ hell a it means sɛ ɔwɔ adwin bi sɛ yɛkɔ heaven yɛ ba bɔne a yɛdi yɛde yɛkɔ hell no yɛnsa nkɔ yɛ bio
Okay.
ɛnyɛ saa deɛ nka punishment no mfa so ɛni so saa nso na yɛyɛ atenenefoɔ ɛyɛ righteous na yɛkɔ heaven so a yɛbɛkɔgye yɛ nia for so long a time but heaven no so nyɛ eternal because heaven was created the Bible say in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth.
Sure.
Nyame nyamo heaven no ni ho.
No.
Nti baabi a no wo ene heaven no boy no the same.
You're the same.
Nti okọ heaven na wonko nyankopon kurum. Nyankopon kurum akasa ho. And heaven so. Wo dey say oh. Owu no obi abewu. Obi bia bewu.
Sure.
I want you to understand that, number one. Number two, uwa enya afi na akwakoda baabi. Atwen ya say atemu da bi mra na emebu aten.
Instant judgment.
Unye wu ye na pe.
Ye
bebu aten. Sa na Nyankopon hye tie. Eni nti na Bible say obi wu no ye de boyeni a. Say nipa no ne nketa oda so no ye nsonso no. Ena ntumi efira no eye mu America. Enya mu na ten a. Why na chezo ye de boyeni nti aye pa na hye no asama no no.
Na question.
Nti de tie ne say memma en na da woda say wo ba bewu na wakoda ho saa o body no wu a wu a ti obi a ti ni o yeze wu a ba bi esi no ho na akoda saa atwen di obi wu ya nsigi no nipa no wu ye no owu nsuom owu nsuo na fish awe no fish ba nya ba ko fish bebre
Libya
miribiri wa bebre no ma we na me wi omo wi yes am ba we fish no so nti ni sa nipa no da hin ngo twen ya te buda no
ni asem no
miribiri wa we akoya wi o se da ho etwe
Libya from bugu nsuo mi ya mu fina nsuo
fish na awe no o ma we na wi nya ba ko fish ba ko ka te bia obodi yam be se te da fish na awe nipa na wi nti hin obeda twa te muda no see people don't ask questions when we go to churches abusuye and the man education dance no and the education kwa na yeso no papa no so many nyina ye but the man education dance no say ye no ye ntia sem brand is ala won ka sem ma fa di mfa you should be able to prove to me the ntia de ka na ye no correct ndu ka kire me say obi wu eso ko dance afunsi ho sa on na ho sa na atemu da so na ye ko nyana no
na wasore
ya ba ya boto trobento no wa yesi no it doesn't work like that Nyankopon nye ayisa awo nti de make can say ti ase o kwa so da bisa questions men twem obi nkeka keka nsem bia nkyere na wagi atum ye nyamsom de yes o de ahomase ene say ani die no ban nsem bi wo ha obebisa nti wo ba education mu a ye tena sese ya ho ya ye class awie no ya say obi bia o question bi o misa
okay
because ya je ahudi say question bi obi abisa da e bisa ya so ye ya no okay nti obi say question bi na there's an answer to that nti owuo no hell no na me say okwa enye for eternity because say you punish obi a you person ni panian say na adwen nti na you punish no heaven na person okọ no heaven na kasa so Nyankopon te ho because nyame wo hwansa na obo heaven say the Bible ka say in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth.
Sure.
The before creation na nyame wo ho a onya mo heaven ba bia na wo no any heaven no bo entim ye pe.
Sure.
And Jesus say heaven and earth shall pass away. The heaven go pass okọ na be say atwam. They say heaven is not eternal. The only eternal place is the kingdom of God. I hope on anything. Because I'm going to so many the kingdom of God.
The kingdom of God.
Yes. So heaven the sorry, utu tight. We are homo bro and house by now. You are qualified to go to the heavens. But so open Nyankopon krum and kasakwa, you should be serious. Men fan no man di agro because Nyankopon krum no. E adea enough. And into yes, owu no aba no. Na fiade mystically no. So obi wu sesi ya na 50 na ho a. Na nipa 100 na gina ho a. Obi bia dwen a o dwen no. Wo bete ne se kasa. Se bia obi ewu sesi ya nka nipa e wo hen. Obi bia dwen o dwen wo ditim no. Nipa na wo no bete ne se ya kasa no. De bia wo dwen se ebi ko chena kura no bia mekọ ha me se me business bi ya se. Ni nyina wo bete ne kasa.
O te ne kasa.
O bete ne se ya wo kasa no. Nti wadwan odwan obete ne kasa we so de obete se nipa 50 ne wo ha o ti obi akasa ne ntino obe confused.
Okay.
And ntino o ye confused na say what is happening. nti ogina ho na obehu se amanfo no otia se onim se omawu no afi no ha se hu omo de bi wadamfo bi owu da bonse no o na eba no ona na bi owu papa bi wadamfo bi like you begin to see those who have departed already.
Okay.
At that point, you know, and I saw who said,
no longer.
Menini Pamubio. But still, now, we did this anybody no bit in your fat. Until nobody who rubbed him, or Ramon Dim sorry. And until anybody got too much rather, a woman of Beco. Now, love not a woman we are saying into baby and a mawon or Beco. Baby and a yellow or Beco, or Jumabi and a command that's of Pabos or Quadmo. So the so no or Coco, all these places. You're thinking, say, I am still around, I still can take my body. Timunya me na me dem pese me ye ntino oye ne sa 13 days
saying
13 days yes, less than 2 weeks so no me free asas we so ankwa se nipa ni wu a ye wo gate e bie fe no the astral tunnel eno no e bie say the soul is no more here go nti wa anko after 13 days na close nti e close a that soul no e be ye earthbound soul I said, some train.
Okay.
Or no, to me, call on his own to be manipum or how. Sanai. See, on the 30th, 40th day at the Jnana, that's our channel, that's in a BB for 24 hours. The one qua, so soon is trapped. There be a bush any beer with the that be a bear say. Bear 5-10 years, there be out there, as so die who. What it means, and they say, Sabusi and another be a who diamond or ha.
Oh, he.
Onyanko was a serious.
About you, you that's a baby.
Why, some man train and one over comment dinners out on your
or that's so assassin.
Yes.
Uncle baby,
Uncle baby, the beer also there, who know. At time because I'll be who cries and we're a whole as a beer, I'm feeling happy. The soul is still here because you're so attached to the body, no. The time when I get in the beer, and they are there. So be woo not a hotel for a corner years here. Omon pai ba omo bonu entimin sisa nipa ne bonu bi awaye by pai bo na omo bonu e be light e guide so ni say the time was unjonko.
Really?
Yes. Erentina esese obi wu a e be hia sa hotefo enko ne na ho na yi ho na omo nkoye pai bo mom sire pai bo ma no nti ne bonu awaye din yesili ne papa ye yesili na emum so obe ka asase so ye earthbound no omo pai bo no e guidance e timu guide ma ne pie e de pie kwa bonten na wanya pie wie no a hona judgment koko shase na judgment na ngasa no ho enye se nyankopon ko furu bia begina ona no see wan kasa na be bu hu aten
your deeds
ye wade be fe no karmic board and I say astral board so obi nya pie no nya free ye realm ya ho no pie another realm something ke se a obi hu ni se soro bi ndi ha bia be kasa bia television bia de board ha kakraka wona kasa na wo ye be bu aten no obe hu ewo astral board no so
say dey me hu na wo
say dey hu sa ha ndi obe hu say o ma me ewo ketwa na o ma me wo ha say bi wa ba de na mu a wo free na say pie obe hu is that serious ndi unya pie wi a ye tu din ye dware ye obibi a obe hu ni nyina na egusu na wo hwe na abia meka e wuduru ba bia o ya akora onya be say 5 years na afa abo na ade boy yongo biti ho na e pa ye o say oh boy me the boy waiting hu pa de me so obi de boy me ti hu ka tenka me so na me hu de wi asitie na wa twere na obi ha na woni obi business bi sika ba mu 2000 so man 1000 4000 no man 500 no 4500 o say I don't me pa so in kwanya mini pa me so obi yem bi asenka me me na wa oguso na we den na obu hu aten
okay
nti obeye ne saa until the time wu ye no nti wan kasa no wa judge hu awie dinya vie na obi ko kana kasa babu atia me wan na judge hu is that serious the aye ni na awie no then that's when say wo ye de boyenia now you have to go and then face punishment for born ya we na wo be fa kwan so akọ no enoma hodo wo be experience kwa man se na waduru wo bet bi ehia
na ye party no
enoma ye wo 5 elements ye wo earth wo se me kan ye no ye wo water ye wo fire wo air ye wo it ani nyina no wo ba ko hia no te edi nka bo se wo ba ko nya asase tampa desert ye she to say ja
wawu no
yes
it happens
yes obe say desert say wo tu kwan nkwa na ko bia ni obese ha ne ya ne die nsim na desert soda.
Mako desert soda.
Who do not see my
Fru.
She party said, I know when the chigari. The cigar.
Na onamu.
Who did know room? Who's a wooden gross body baby? But as so to say, I dare see the panel. To the no room fruit, I shall now come.
Na uko.
So now you know, we be pushing our call. Una musa, unya tell and we ya pet. Obe who say, and from man, no, she the thing ya both as on them.
Eh,
Obe finding in a movie. Never do by cross and so, and soon about cross on. And so if you be a woman, my mind be a big woman. Obe Tomon was a quack, Obe Gary as I said here. I got up now, Jarana will go back 20 miles away. Obe Jaru Musa, no pee. No way be a real. That is when now, baby, as I will quite Casano. As I will continue, you are making. Oh no, the boy, a politician. The way I understand be a more the tax bar, no magic drink for who's again. I'm of here more mine.
Modi.
Your plans to be on the coso. I especially help my friend say, Rura.
The friend say,
Rura. A hono. On the yet hellish man be an Jnana was so. So Rura and Jnana.
okay.
You was special more how almost simply tender boot. They will feed on your flesh, even though you don't have flesh, no. But on the feed you body no.
And we feel it.
We feel pain. The answer you guys were feeding on the citizens. Or more sweating on my gin and you know, more squeezing Crawford, no more gigi tax, no more, you move on your mom. So me feed you, come to say there. But come on, there you'll be a meow. And to buy a sign, to them, be our bonny or dear, so could be head will be a better 2,000 years. And I could be a 700 years and be a 50 years, whatever it is. Oh, yeah, not time soon we are. Then you'll be released. And the are released, you know. Now, no, we your soul, what about your soul again? Take Papa when mammy be a. Almost we share on Poma Sebi. Or my view, no, Moses, say a crowd to say one. Then you'll be sent into the womb again.